Hello everyone, this is Arun. So today in this video, I am going to provide a walkthrough of task tracker sheet. So this sheet provides us the status of each and every task that is associated with the project. So here we can see we have date column, then the task cycle, which is a drop-down list, and the priority wise column of the task, and then another drop down, which is your status. So we have included the start date and the end date and the project description as well here on I column. And then on J column, we have comments, which any assignee can put their comments who are working on that particular project. So now we have a notifications emailer as well. Let me quickly walk through the drop downs first. So the task cycle, priority, and status. These values are taken from this drop down sheet, which we have configured our email for the assignee column. And then this is the status of the task. So I have created 4 types of status on this sheet, but you can create any type of status and any number of emails. You can just type the email to the below of this one and they will click automatically on the top one. So, and this one is the task cycle. So daily, weekly, quarterly, monthly, and yearly. This one is the low task, about the low, mid, high was, and then the how priority is for that task. So you can set it in the top down sheet as well. So this is all about the drop down list. And we can select, we can provide that project name here, and then this is the task name. We can list one by one at a time. And then the good thing over here is we can schedule any number of assignees to we can assign any number of assignees to a particular task. So let's say here is a drop down checkbox drop down. So we have created using custom HTML function. So let's say I'm deleting this one as well, deleting this one as well. So let's say I want to put only one person here, so I can just select here and putting this one here and 2 persons on this one, so I'm selecting this one as well. So these both are my email, so they will get both. So both of the assignees are having I've been assigned different tasks, and the priority we can say, let's say 5. Now the notifications which is going to send through the email is, let's say if this task is being not started, so sorry, we have set our status as pending and completed. So let's see, I'm stating both the task as pending. So now I got 2 emails. One is, as we can see right now, on 7:59 p.m. and 8 p.m. I have got 2 emails. First one at this one, and then the other one is this one. So now, my email is 9896. So both of the tasks I get an email, and this is the task name, and the following task. This is the task name I will send to you on Wednesday, 19 June. So the start date will be this one. So we get 9 June 2024. It depends upon whatever the date you're seeing. So 17 Wednesday, 19 June 2024. Let's say we will be focused on this one. Sorry. This task has been assigned, and this is an pending state. Please work on this task. So this is a custom text that we created for the pending task. So they will be generated automatically once this task is in pending state. And the other one is similar, but the other task that is a live state. So I got both the emails. And one more thing. whenever the task is in the pending state, so we have also applied one more notification, which will go to the assignees on daily basis. Right now, we have configured to the daily basis, and we can configure that can configure to weekly or monthly basis as well. But right now, we have configured this on daily basis. So there are two criteria of sending the notification. One is whenever we select this status, then definitely they will receive a notification, and the other one is a daily notification if the task is in pending state. So this is how the things are being done, right? And this is our another email. So for this 9766, I got this task. So the same email is shooted for this one as well in my other email. So let me just complete this one and finishing with the task. Now I'm getting another email for completion. So if you can see, I got another email which states that the following task has been assigned to you. This has been completed on this one. So this is the completion, and the other email also is completion. So here I did a so 2 emails of completion I received. So this is, notifications also we are getting for the particular status, so that whoever is working on the particular task will get the notifications as well. So this is a fully automatic task tracker sheet which we have created for our custom requirements. And I hope you have enjoyed this video. So let me know your feedback and your customizations if you have, and if you require this Google Sheets as well. I'm providing you my WhatsApp and email address in the description part of this video, so you can just reach me out. And if you require this sheet, you can just directly reach me out. And also, if you require some of the customizations which you think you need more on that, so we can both work on that one as well. So that's all from this video. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and I hope this video is also useful for your case as well. So thank you for your time for taking this for viewing this video, and have a great day. Take care. Bye bye. We'll meet soon.